degrees. Oh, my mouse isn't connected. There we go. Interesting. What? Oh, it's 360. 125 degrees. Yep. Oh my goodness. B. Size of angle R. Right. 180. Subtract 31. Subtract 77. 72. And it's vertically opposite. A. R equals 72 degrees. B. T equals 72 degrees. Right. Big C. This is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. CAB. 180 subtract 2 times 62. 56. Oh. 56 degrees. D. Size of angle D. 360 subtract 57 subtract 245 subtract 22. 56 degrees. E. Wait, another 56. Crazy. So 180. Nope, I can just do 90 subtract 23. 6, 7. Who's watching? 0. Okay. Another 6, 7. Crazy. Alright, so 180 subtract 39, nope, 139 is that angle. So, to get that angle, subtract 67, subtract 49. 72, 360, subtract 72, subtract 67, 210, 221, I can talk. Right. F. Form parallelogram. What is the name of this? That's still a what's it called? Trapezium. TFE. So those two are corresponding. No, they're co-interior. I don't know what they're called. No, it's just 116 then. I lied, it's not 116. It's 180 subtract 116. I can write. B is 64 degrees. EFG. Oh wait, what? I skipped out F. So I skipped out E. 90 subtract 32. 58. Whatever, what's the chance I get a... What is the chance? What is the chance, guys? What is the chance? It'd be so small, wouldn't it? E, F, G. What's the chance I get a bookmark check for D? What is D? Okay, right, I don't know where I went wrong. I'm just gonna pray I don't get a homework check. Exterior angle. Well, that doesn't matter, does it? Did you get that? Can I get that? I can get that. I don't need to do that, actually, because they're all exterior angles. So they all add up to 160. Do they? 360, sorry. 63, subtract 114, subtract 27, subtract 103. And we get that angle. Answer, subtract that angle. Answer, subtract that angle, subtract 79. Negative 26. I think we've done something wrong. Oh no, it is just 53. So 180 subtract 53, subtract 79. Right. H is 48 degrees. I... Oh. F, let's go. It's not one of... It's not D. It's not D. No way. Physics. Right, 90 subtract 70. I did not need to use my calculator for that. There's many things I can't be bothered to do without a calculator, but this is not one of them. J. Nope, it's not J. I lied to you. It's A, 2A. B and E. — 180 subtract 60. Answer divided by 3. 40 degrees. Bet you. Who's watching? Crazy. Still 0 people watching. It's almost like I'm doing homework. Do I have sound? I do have sound. Crazy. C. 360 subtract 60. Answer divided by 2. 150. 150 degrees. A, B, C, D. M. So 360 subtract 90 subtract 84. Right. That leaves us with those two angles. Answer subtract. I cannot be bothered. 180 subtract 69. Should be 75. Yep. C, D, E. I might turn the light on. Flashbang. E. How the hell do you do this? What? What? How the hell do you do this? Guys. So we can get that, 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 right. 180 subtract 83 subtract 31. And then 180 subtract that, subtract 42, it's 46. And 180 subtract that, 112. There you go. F. NPQ. Right, 180 subtract, oh, I can't type. 180 subtract 2 times 36 gives us that angle. Oh no, it's not very useful. Oh, it is useful. Wait, it should be the same. No, it shouldn't. So 107 plus 36 equals that. 143 subtract 108. Then it should be that. And then it leaves us with everything else. $38. Nope, what the hell? Oh, is it not just 36? I'm so dumb, man. Have I got the correct angle? NPQ. PNR plus NRQ. PNR plus NRQ equals 180. Why? Co-interior angles. Oh, because they're parallel. So they are equal. Because at the line. Right, so we draw a line here. Figure out that angle. So, co-interior angles. So what are the we can use this one. Use this one and this. I don't see any co-interior angles I can use. This one and this one. So 180 subtract 36. But we already could figure that out. Right? 180 subtract 2 times 36. They're different. They are co-interior angles, I swear. I swear they're no, because it adds that. Oh, and then then we can figure out that. So you get that co-interior angle, 144. Subtract that, which gives us that angle, which gives us that. 37. Oh, 1 degree more than the opposite side of the parallelogram. How many viewers? Still 0. Let's go. 2C, 150. Interior angles of a regular polygon are... So 180, n minus 2, over n equals 168. Bet it's 30. G, 30. H. Shaded triangle DC equilateral was the size of ABC. Is it similar? No, it's not similar. We can figure out that. So it's 60, 180, subtract 180. I. Oh, okay, yeah, I get it. Right down the side of the third angle. 360 subtract 13. Stinks. Yes, 我觉得味道。How is it? Harry, is it very smelly?
Yeah, it smells, but it smells like,
I'll close the door. Yeah, keep the smell out. Ah. Third angle is 196, and that's obtuse. Nope, it's reflex. And nope, it's just reflex. I lied to you. A 196, B reflex. Right. 3A. 17. B. Angle M. 34. So 180, 34, subtract 85. 61 degrees. M equals 61 degrees. Oh my goodness, it actually stinks. I'm going to open the window. Right, C. I see C. 360 subtract 130 subtract 64 subtract 129 180 subtract that. Right, okay. $43 degrees. 43 degrees. Yep. D. 360 subtract 62. 298. 298 degrees. E. H. We know that angle and that's equal, right? So no, we don't know that angle. We do know that angle. 180 subtract 126, that's that angle. 180 subtract that angle, subtract 108 equals that. And then 180 subtract that, and then that divided by 2. 81. EF. You just figure out that. They're equal, so that's equal. So 360 subtract 83, subtract 83, subtract 126. 360, subtract that. No, 180, subtract that. That divided by 2. 56. EFG. 1H. Right. Oh, I saw a 1 and I thought it might be that 1D question that I don't know the answer of. Two identical overlappings, what the hell? That's the interior angle. So interior angle is 180 times 7, and to divide by 9. And then we can do 360, subtract 2 of those, and that divided by 2, which is 40. G is 40 degrees. H. Right. 180, that's... No, it's 6 in total. Which is 20. It's 30, I lied to you. 4A. 180. Oh, it's freezing now because I opened the window. I guess the smell's gone, or maybe I've got used to it. Should be 25 degrees. Yep. So x plus 155 equals 180. B is x equals 125. Value of W. What? No, it's just 177 divided by 3. Is this a... Yeah, it is a nice number, surprisingly. 177 seems quite prime to me. Okay, 60. Degrees. A, B, C, D. T, we figure out... Okay, never mind. Thought there'd gonna be some difficulty to the question. 93 degrees. D, E. Angle H, we need to figure out that. So 360 subtract 326 first. And then we do 180 subtract that, and that divided by 2. 73. No. 360 subtract 326. 180 subtract that, and that divided by 2. 73. Oh, I have to do 180 minus that. Exterior angle. I have. Trust me. I have, bro. We can figure that out. 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 Figure that out. How the hell do we figure that? I can figure that out. 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 Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I lied to you. It's a 5-sided shape. So I can't do any smart things. Get that angle. That'd be pretty nice. I could get that. What do you say it is? 15. Okay. If I could get that co-interior angle, if I could get that, whatever angle it's called, alternate. Is it alternate? That's not alternate. Corresponding. I think it's corresponding. I can get that, but how do I get that? I can get that by if I get that, or if I get that. I can get that to there, which I can get to there. Right, so 180, subtract 57, subtract 74, exactly. And it should just be that. 49 seems about right. Yes! These types of questions are never bookmark checked. B equals 49 degrees. EFG. 2B, 40 degrees. G. What? Where's the equilateral triangle? What? What diagonal? The parallelogram? Oh, there. Okay, right. A. 60. Oh, 60 subtract. Nope, that gives a negative number. No, it is 60 subtract 34. I was going to subtract it by 60, subtract 34 times 2. 26. It's literally 26, bro. Oh. Screw you, man. Who designed this question? 28. H. Right, so 180 times 6, answer divided by 8 gives you that number. 180 times 4, answer divided by 6 gives us that number. So it should be 15. Yeah. Crazy, I'm definitely not going to use my calculator. Nine, 3295. 3295B. Tossing that, and that. 7 plus 1 plus 6. 7, 1, 8, 14. I would not know how he got 19. Oh, because I estimated it to be 40. Is that why? Perimeter. Oh, trigonometry. Opposite over adjacent. TOA. So, tangent. Where's tangent? Tangent. Opposite over adjacent. So, we just times by. Tangent 41 times by 15.6. So that's one of them. Store as A. And then adjacent and hypotenuse is cosine. So 15.6 over cosine of 41. Forgot it's special. Okay, answer plus A That's 15.6. 1 DP, 14.8. Not 14, 49.8. Yes, it's correct. 49.8 meters. D. Company's 44. Right, so 0.44 times 135. 59.40. £59.40. A, B, C, D, E. Right. 0.82. I literally clicked submit answer. Let's use polar. Where's the comma? You know, you thought I was going to use a trig function. No, I'm going to use the polar function of my calculator. 64.9. Haha. G. 5E. 0.82. G. By rounding to 1 sig fig, 0.07, 0.4, 28, divide by 1,000. Surely my mental maths isn't wrong. Surely my mental maths isn't wrong. Surely my mental maths isn't wrong. Oh, it's correct, surprisingly. That's literally what it says on the is it to some fig? No, that's literally what's on the calculator. That is literally what's on the... Oh, I lied to you, it isn't what's on the calculator. Stupidest question. B 0.03096 H. I don't know. What is 5,103 divided by 21? It's 243. 243 6A. 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 5.5 divided by 4. 1.375. 1.375. I have written a sentence. A 1375. B, big B, not small b, haha. We figured out that length and we figure out, I don't want to do this. Right, opposite over adjacent. So we times by 3.4. 57. That's a length. And then adjacent over hypotenuse. That's cosine. Trying to figure out hypotenuse. So it's that over cosine 6.3. Should be correct. What dp? 2 dp. 11.53. What time are we on? 36 minutes. So basically, I suck at this. What's 49 plus 15? Oh, it's 8. Well, no, it isn't. 64, but the answer's 8. after the pendulum electromagnet. So that's who can be bothered. 116, 169. E. $530 subtract 76. And it's that subtract 0.002. 453.008. I lied to you. How the fuck would it work? 998. Yeah. 453998. F. 1E. Ah, we're getting so close to 1T. It's not 59, it's 50, it's not 58. What the fuck was it? Was it double 221? That's the first bookmark check I've ever got wrong. Except for the... Oh, okay. 16.34. Right, that's just unlucky. It could have chose any other question. Right, let's see what my bookmark looks like for that one then. Adjacent over... No, adjacent hypotenuse. Opposite hypotenuse. Let's do opposite hypotenuse first. We're trying to figure out the angle, so it's inverse. Opposite over hypotenuse. How many dp? I thought it was 1. Yep, I see. 51.7. Then that's cosine. 13.1 over 16.7. That is wrong. There we go, that's a more sensible number. Instead of a 1 degree angle. X equals 51.7, Y equals 38.3, H. Crazy! 636 divided by 15 times by 3, so it's remainder 6. Crazy. Right, look at my bookmark. Oh, I got full marks for bookmark. That was so bad. 39 minutes, nearly 40.